Hello and welcome. First, you're going to open Audacity. Then, you can record you saying anything, because by the end of this tutorial, you will be sounding like L. This is just a test to see if I will sound like L. Okay, you will select it, duplicate it, you'll duplicate it twice, go to the top one, make it effect, change pitch to 6 semitones, and then the bottom track, we will change the pitch to -6 semitones. The middle track will be changed to -3 decibels, and the other ones will go to +3 decibels. And then we'll just see how it sounds.
This is just a test to see if I will sound like L.